Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer like a session for this?
Hello everyone, it is Keisha, the Crafty Planner. Welcome to my channel. Today I am working in my classic size Happy Planner. This is my Homebody planner with the dashboard layout. Not a whole lot I have to plan these days, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this one planner. I may get around to filming one for social media. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm going to go ahead and plan for this week. I'm planning for the week of May 18th through May 24th, and this week I am using the Celebrate Happy Planner sticker book. My son's birthday is on Wednesday, so I'm going to have this spread dedicated to celebrating his 12 years here on Earth. I may also pull my classic, my Colorful Boxes books, just to add some different types of colorful boxes. Just depends on what this has in it. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. Alright guys, I've pulled a couple of more books just to see if I can get some coordinating stickers laid down. I've decided I don't want to do the entire spread centered around just the birthday because of course we're not really going to do anything. So I pulled some other books. I've pulled the Mega Book Brights, the Mega Book Rainbow, and again, my colorful boxes. So we'll see what we come up with, and I'll go ahead and speed this back up. All right, guys, that is it. I don't think it turned out too bad. I kind of like it. I like the combination of the colors. So I'm going to go ahead and turn to this week in my planner and put them back on the disc. All right, so that's it. I kind of like how it turned out. So I hope you like it too. If you do like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.